Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to change admin on your Facebook page. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first and foremost step is all about we just need to follow this instruction. So go over here on the Google Chrome, and this is what it is, and make sure that is signed in on your Facebook account. So once you sign in on the Facebook account, you have to sign into the respective page in which you wanted to add someone, or if you wanted to delete someone. So this is one of my business portfolio which I created, so I have selected it. If you wanted to select it, you can select it in the same way, or if you don't find your business portfolio here, just click on the see all profiles over here, and once you select the see all profiles, you can scroll down and navigate to the one in which you wanted to make the changes. For me, I wanted to make the changes on this particular page called QSA Foods, and I have to select this one. Now once you select it, and this is how the interactive page looks like. Now from here, what I need to do is I just need to scroll down and go for the see more options, and over here there is an option called pages, and I have to select this one. And right now, as you can see, this has been selected to the pages over here like this, and I have to go over here to select the page. Now, and once again I have selected, and I have to click on the settings over here at the left side. Now that's going to take you to this. Now from here I have to scroll down over here, and there is an option called page setup, in which I have to click on the page setup. And right now, as you can see, we have various options like page access, page management, history, status, etc., in which I have to select the page access over here. Now what happens is that's going to take you to this, in which, as you can see, this is one of my personal profile, in which I'm only the one admin in so far, which is managing every single thing like page deletion, permission, content, messages and calls, community active, and add insights. Now what I need to do is, if I wanted to add someone, this is what you have to do. Just click on add new. Then what I need to do is just give them the access in which you can switch into the page manager directory or the Facebook. You can go for the next over here. But similarly, you can just click on over here as well. Then over here, you can't switch into the page over here, just go for the next. And right now, what I need to do is I just need to search for the name of, the Facebook username or the email address in which I wanted to add someone. So I'm going to add someone over here very randomly. So I'm just going to select this one and go for admin over here. I have added him, and now I need to delete what all the things I should give him the access, whether you wanted to give him the access for the content, messages and all response to or reply back to the client or someone who's trying to connect to you, for the community activity, which means if any kind of things removed in our report and all those things. If he wanted to, or she or he wanted to manage the ads, you can also give the access, and also they can view all the insight in which they can completely check the views, but how many reach your page is having, and how even they can move to the ad account as well. So just click on the give access, so they will be getting an access over there on your Facebook account, and once they accept, we'll be having another one person here as well. And this is how we can add someone, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.